Hey, what's up? Brent from Brimspeed. Thanks for watching Brimspeed TV. Today is going to be a 24 Mustang automatic. Car came in bone stock on 93 octane. We installed a Whipple Stage 2 supercharger. We're going to watch a dyno pull that laying down over 700 real horsepower. And if you're looking for a Whipple kit, a Stage 1 or 2, even if you have an F-150, we typically always have these in stock. We can ship them right to your door. You can come in for an install, but right now I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, as always, if you have any questions, like as you're watching this, leave a comment, happy to answer. You can open that description, and I'll put links to all these parts. You can read a lot more about it because I always talk fast, but here's what we have. Whipple Stage 2, Gen 6, intercooled supercharger. He also opted for the Crusher, Whipple Crusher air induction, open air boxes. And the only other mod we did to this automatic is the UPR passenger side, driver side oil separators. So we have the driver's side over there, passenger side over here. These things are clean. They come with all the lines, like everything just very easy to install. But that's pretty much it. Check out this dyno pull. All right, again, automatic, 93 octane, Dyno SAE, smoothing 5, 709 real horsepower, 8,000 RPM, love those numbers. Torque comes in 533, peaking at 4,800, and boost comes in at 12.99 at 8,000 RPM. But really it's under 12, across the board, but you do go over 12 right about 7,500 RPM. I think the extra boost we're getting on this is from that Crusher air induction system, the open air boxes. Super clean car. It's an automatic. Love it. Just running on 93 octane. We keep these kits in stock. Like I said, Stage 1, Stage 2. We can go right to your door if you want it shipped to you, or you can email quote@brentspeed.com. What's this cost to get installed? Include your phone number. We'll text you a quote. Thanks for watching.